Last time we learned about combining files from a folder, but what if your files have different sheet names in all of them? So today I'm going to show you how to combine files with different sheet names using Power Query as well. Alright, so this is the folder with my files that I want to combine. Notice that in this gen file, it has the gen sheet name. And in the March file, it's March. So the sheet name changes based on the month data. So what I can do to combine all of this data or all of this file is same, go to data, go to get data from file, from a folder, and select the folder, click on open. Right over here, click transform data. And at this content button, it has this combine file. So I'll hit on this combine file. And this thing will pop up and asking like which sheet that I want to combine. So the first file is the April file, so it only displays this sheet. So for now, I just click on this and hit on OK. And you can see that it only displays the April data, and it has this error over here. So if I click on this error, you can see that because it cannot find the April sheet in other files, so it has this data that it cannot combine the data. All right, so what I can do is that I go to this transform file, and I click on this down button, and you can see right over here is the problem. It only takes when the sheet name is called April. So what I can do is that I can just remove this part and hit on enter. And this window will pop up, just click OK. All right, then I go back to my monthly sales and I already have my combined data. So I just format this to the format that I want. I can just close and load now. And now I got my data combined nicely over here. So definitely try it out and I'll see you next time. Bye.